Let's understand why you might need to delete everything from WHM. Maybe you're resetting a test server, removing old client accounts, preparing for a fresh WHM installation, freeing up disk space. Whatever the reason, caution is key. This process is irreversible. Always back up important data before proceeding. For the backup method, we had made videos already. In WHM, search for Terminate Accounts in the top left search bar. Select List All Accounts. Check Select All. Enable Remove DNS Zones and Remove Mail Configuration, if needed. Click Terminate and confirm. This will delete all websites, emails, and databases associated with these accounts. After deletion, verify. No accounts under List Accounts in WHM. Check /home directory via SSH. Should be empty. Ensure no DNS zones remain in DNS Zone Manager. And that's it. Your WHM panel is now clean and empty.